When you create your multimedia presentation, chances are you will either use PowerPoint or Google Slides. And I'm going to show you today that for the purposes of posting in the discussion board, Google Slides is a much better option. Let me show you why. So I'm in the discussion board, starting a new thread just like you would do. I'm going to call it my presentation. And I would go here to insert stuff. I would select a file from my computer. There's a PowerPoint. I would upload it. Wait for it to upload, and then I'll be prompted to create a text link that the viewers will click on to access my presentation. I will call it my presentation. Okay, and I'll insert it. And there it is. The second way that I might be able to include my presentation in a post is by creating an attachment. There's my PowerPoint. I'll do it both ways just to show you how it's done, but also to show you the same problem exists either way that I present it or add it. Okay, so there it is in both ways, and I'm going to hit post. Okay, so let's go to my presentation as if I'm a viewer. Okay, I'll slide this over here so you can see. If I select either one of these choices, I am going to be prompted to download it in order to view it. Either way, I have to download it. That's just kind of an inconvenience, especially when we know there's an easier way to do it. Let me show you how that would work. I would go to My Drive, just in case you're not familiar with Google Slides. Select New, go to Google Slides, start a new presentation. It looks very similar to PowerPoint, so it's very user-friendly. This is where I would add more slides. I'm going to click out of this now because I've already created a very short demo slide presentation. And there's only 4 slides in it, but I did include a Powtoon presentation that had been uploaded to YouTube. Okay, so I was able to insert it, a video, that way. Okay, but what I did want to show you is that there are some video options when you are prompted to search for the video and you select it. You're also given some options, and what you want to select is autoplay for the video. Okay, not autoplay for the Google slide presentation, autoplay when presenting the video. Okay, and I'm going to close that out now. That was right here. Do you see that? Right in the top right corner. Now, let's assume my 4 slides are the entire presentation, and this is where you have some very nice options in Google Slides that you don't have in PowerPoint. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to select Publish to the Web. Now, I'm not actually publishing out to the web. I'm actually just gaining an embed code to put in the discussion board. So, first thing I'm going to do is change this auto advance to every minute. I am not going to have the slideshow start as soon as the player loads, because I've found that quite often by the time the discussion board post comes up, it's on slide 2 or 3. And instead of link, I'm going to go to embed. Oops, this went back to the default of 3 seconds, so I have to change it back to a minute. I'm going to make sure both of these are unchecked again. And this code is what I want to copy. It's an HTML code. Copied. Close that out now. And I'm going to go to my discussion board. Start a new thread. I'll call it My Presentation 2. And at the bottom of the text box, the content area, is the HTML editor. And I'm going to click on that. And right in there is where I'm going to paste that code that I copied. I'm going to say Save, Bam, there it is. I'm going to say post. Nobody has to download my presentation now to view it. It's a beautiful thing. All right, oops, I can't quite get it in the screen, can I? Okay. Because I put it on a minute to advance the slides, it really doesn't advance. Nobody's going to wait a minute on the title page. And a longer time is probably a good thing for these presentations because the content is so new and unfamiliar to us. Oh, remember I selected autoplay for the video option? If I didn't, my viewers would have to click on the arrow. And there were only 4 slides, so this is the last slide, just so I could show you how easy it is for your viewers if you use Google Slides and publish to the web. There you go. I like that, and I imagine your colleagues will too. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.